Okay, so let's learn a fun kick. It's the pop-up round kick. So I'm in a neutral stance. I don't want to be out just like this, like in a fighting stance, right? So I'll show you this way. I don't want to be wide stance. I want to be in a neutral stance, just like this, like a walking, standing stance, right? So I'm here, and all I want to do is I want to, boom, just like that, pop up, right? It's pretty easy. To get height, you got to tuck in your knees. So tuck in your knees, just like that. So we're going to tuck in the knees, and we're going to throw that round kick out, right? We all know how to do the round kick. Hopefully you know how. And we're going to hold our hands up. Boom, just like that. Pretty simple. All right, check out my other videos on kicks right here. Okay, here's how to do a pop-up. Okay, so let's learn a fun kick. Let's learn the pop-up back kick. Okay, so let's learn a